Hello, everyone. My name is Teacher Jen, teaching here in the Philippines for 10 years. I teaches preschool, grade school, and the junior high school. I'm a private school teacher. During the pandemic year, our school shifted to online class, where we learn how to teach our kids online and do engaging online activities. I love teaching kids. They are active, fun, and they have this eagerness to learn, especially learning English. Learning English is crucial and difficult, but kids loves to learn as they can open doors to global communication, access to diverse information, and professional opportunities. Let's not make English difficult, but learning it as we enjoy it. Don't worry, I am here, Teacher Jen. I am excited to work with you and looking forward to explore and supporting your learning journey. See you. Bye.